Kate Weiss from Table of Plenty is here to show us a delicious and very quick midweek dinner using Dukkah.
Absolutely, Justine. Well, I love Dukkah because it just makes things taste amazing easily. And what we're cooking today is some chicken breast with a couscous with Dukkah and pumpkin in it.
And you've created this fantastic product that has everything that we love in a Dukkah, all in one spot.
Absolutely. So Dukkah is a spice and nut and seed blend. It has chopped nuts that have been toasted and chopped into very finely, and then you blend them together. It's Egyptian in origin, but you know, you can use it in so many ways.
Okay. How can I help to get this started?
Well, if you get onto the chicken, so you can prepare the seasoning and slice the chicken.
Sure can.
And I'm going to get onto the couscous.
All right.
So what we've done is pre-prepared some pumpkin. So you can chop it into 2-centimetre cubes, toss it in olive oil, salt and pepper, just pop it in the oven for not too long, 15 to 20 minutes. You want to make sure it's still a little bit firm so that it doesn't break up when you mix it.
Nice one.
And I'm going to get straight onto the couscous. I love couscous because it's so simple.
Yes.
So I'm literally going to take 1 cup of couscous.
And you've got some wholemeal couscous
I
there.
have got wholemeal couscous. Why not? Nobody complains and it's better for you.
Exactly. Whole grains, we love them.
And I have got 300 mils of pre-prepared stock. So this is hot stock and you literally pour it onto the couscous.
Okay. Any seasoning at this stage?
I wouldn't. I'm happy I just add that at the end when we're dressing couscous salad. And I'm just going to cover this with Glad wrap, which will just keep it clean and the steam in while the couscous softens.
Awesome. And in here I have some mixed herbs, lemon zest, garlic, oil, salt, pepper.
Yep, some olive oil, salt and pepper.
Okay, big pinch of salt, pepper, and a splash of olive oil. Nice, easy punch of flavour there for our chicken, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You just can't go wrong with those flavours.
Okay, so the heat's on. Chicken breast?
Yeah, so if you cut that and I'll just prepare my herbs for dressing the salad later.
Okay, so just place your hand on top of the chicken, so parallel. This is the safest way to do it. And just with nice, smooth gestures, we're going to cut the chicken in half. And we've got 2 perfect pieces that are quite even. Happy with that?
That looks beautiful.
Okay, so back into the bowl. Just grab a spoon and give this little lemony mixture a good mix. Pour that on. And we're going to cook this in a grill pan today.
We are.
Why not? And this doesn't take long to marinate. I guess if you wanted to, you could leave it for half an hour. Well, you've got 2 kids and you're a very busy woman, so you are developing all these very quick recipes.
Yeah. Really, seriously, my philosophy is it needs to be easy, quick, healthy, tasty. Half an hour is long enough for dinner in the middle of the week.
All right, I like your style. So I'm going to pop them onto the grill and we're going to cook this for about 2 minutes on each side. It really doesn't need long at all. Okay, Kate, I think your chicken is almost ready.
Amazing. Well, I'll just get this couscous put together and we can eat.
Nice.
Okay, so this is so simple. You just fluff up the couscous. It should be nice and light. And we're just going to add our Dukkah.
Yep.
So this is pistachio Dukkah. It's got cumin, coriander.
You're quite
delicious.
generous with it, which is
absolutely.
nice.
You need that to just give the flavours because couscous is quite bland. Just a sprinkle, handful of cranberries. I've chopped these up.
Pop of sweetness.
Exactly. And some coriander, fresh coriander. Thank you, Justine.
Pleasure.
A little bit of salt and pepper.
And some lemon juice.
Lemon juice, olive oil. Amazing. I just love how you can bring those earthy flavours of Dukkah and then you just lift it with lemon juice and coriander.
One last squeeze.
Amazing.
There you go.
And a little bit of olive oil.
I like these simple dishes. Sometimes we need to be reminded on a Tuesday night, on a Wednesday night, you just want something that you can put together in 15 to 30 minutes, done, and there's loads of flavour.
Exactly. Now, I would generally also have a green on the plate. My kids know that I always have greens on the plate. I'd probably do some steamed broccolini and just put them alongside.
But do your kids eat the steamed broccolini on the plate?
With encouragement.
That's good.
Perfect.
Okay.
So now, last thing we're going to do is add the pumpkin in. And that pop of beautiful golden colour and flavour.
Just mix it through.
Yeah, please do, because I'm covered in pumpkin.
Teamwork, Kate, teamwork.
Justine, that's looking fantastic.
Yes.
I might get you to plate up with the chicken.
Sure can. So, a big spoon of our couscous pumpkin. I mean, you could change the pumpkin up if you like some sweet potato. Any leftover veggies, why not? Throw it in.
Exactly.
Okay.
Super simple.
And our chicken, probably don't need 2 pieces, but today we're feeling quite ravenous, so 2 it is.
Amazing.
A very simple dish, full of flavour, but like I said before, this is what we crave in the middle of the week. Maybe a little squeeze of lemon to finish it off, but that's all it needs. Kate, thank you so much.
You're welcome. It smells amazing.
It does indeed. It's going to taste even better.